Hello everyone. Today we are going to see top 10 most attractive birds in the world. Number 10, painted bunting. The painted bunting is a vibrant and beautiful bird, boasting a magnificent array of colors. Its upper body is mostly bright blue, while its lower regions and wings are a mix of vibrant greens, making a stunning contrast. Its head is a bright red, almost orange in hue, and its chest is a gorgeous shade of yellow. Its small, sharp beak is yellow, and its long tail feathers show a mix of blue and green. Number 9, Victoria Crowned Pigeon. The Victoria Crowned Pigeon is a gorgeous bird with beautiful blue and purple plumage. Its feathers have a bright and iridescent sheen, and its head is adorned with a magnificent frill of long white feathers cascading over its chest and down its back. Its long, slender beak is tipped in bright red, and it has deep, dark eyes. Number 8, Spatuletail Hummingbird. The spatuletail hummingbird is a stunningly beautiful species of hummingbird found in the Peruvian Andes. Its most distinctive feature is the long, spade-like feathers on its tail, giving it the name spatuletail. It is mostly glossy black and iridescent turquoise in color. Number 7, Mandarin Ducks. The Mandarin Ducks are one of the most beautiful birds in the world. They have iridescent feathers that shine in a variety of bright colors, including orange, green, and blue. Their long, curled tail feathers and crested heads make them a sight for the eyes. They are graceful swimmers, known for their elegant dives and dramatic wing displays. They truly are a majestic sight to behold, and a delight to observe in their natural habitat. Number 6, Great Bird of Paradise. The Great Bird of Paradise is a stunningly beautiful tropical bird with an unmistakable look. With its long, elegant tail, brilliant iridescent plumage in shades of blue, yellow, and green, ornate head crest, and striking black beak, this remarkable bird is a sight to behold. Number 5, Nicobar Pigeon. The Nicobar Pigeon is a stunning bird, boasting a distinctive iridescent sheen that shimmers across its grey body. It possesses an elegant and graceful appearance with unique feathers like its white-tipped feathers, red eyes, and dark maroon beak. Its striking display of colors and its impressive wingspan make it a captivating sight and an important part of any birdwatcher's list. Number 4 in the list, Keel-billed Toucan. The Keel-billed Toucan is a truly unique bird with its bright green, yellow, and red feathers and iconic huge bill. With its festive colors, it is no wonder this species is often called the rainbow bird. This beautiful bird is not only an eye-catching sight, it is also incredibly diverse in its diet. Number 3. Rainbow Lorikeet. The rainbow lorikeet is a stunning array of colors that almost appear to be painted on their feathers. They boast bright yellow heads, blue-green wings, rich orange undersides, and bright red beaks. Not only are they attractive due to their brilliant colors, but their charming vocalizations and flock dynamics add to their beauty. They are most active during the day and are quite social in nature, often gathering in large flocks to feed on fruits, pollen, and nectar from trees and plants. Number 2. Golden Pheasant. The golden pheasant is a striking and majestic bird. Its deep yellow feathers feature bright red and yellow tips, making it a true sight to behold. Its long, slender neck is topped with a brilliant red crest, and its yellow and red back gives it an elegant appearance. Its long tail feathers transition from yellow to dark orange and black, adding even more depth and beauty to its graceful figure. Top of the list at number 1, Indian Peacock. The Indian peacock is a beautiful and majestic bird known around the world for its impressive display of color and plumes that fan out into iridescent eyes. Its distinctive eye spots, deep blue-green coloration, and intricate head crest make it one of the most recognizable bird species in the world. The elegance of the peacock's feathers is a sight to behold, as the intricate patterns of blues, greens, and purples dance in the sunlight. Not only are peacocks beautiful, but they are also one of the most vocal birds in the avian world, filling the air with various high-pitched whistles and calls. Thank you for watching.